Hi everyone, today content is one of my favorites. It's look very great. At first I create this thing in the website, but after that I create this in the PowerPoint. Let's start. It's looking perfect. Also, you can click on every picture you want and the picture you want is opened. It's totally amazing. Let's try to create this. At first, we need to insert a new slide. In the new slide, you have these 4 shapes. These 4 shapes are just 4 pictures that I crop them by using this crop option. At first, I crop them to the shape I want, and after cropping to the shape, I crop them to the size I want. You see? And you see here, I crop them to the size I want. Okay, I do this for all the shapes, and after doing that, let me just copy the shapes and paste it here. Sorry, let me just copy the shape and paste it here. The shapes are ready, and I do something more interesting on them. It's about link. They have link. Let me just remove the links. Remove the link. You can remove the link. It's a good tutorial for you to see how you can remove the link. Also, you can remove the links from here. After that, we create 1 copy of that, 2 copy of that, and 3 copy of that, 1 for each slide. Then we hyperlink every slide to place in this document. We link it to slide 7, and we hyperlink it to slide 8, and we hyperlink it to slide 9. Then we copy these 3 easily. We copy these 3, and after copying them, we delete these shapes, paste it here, delete, paste it here, delete, paste it. Okay, now we need to resize them to the size we want. How to resize them? In this slide, we are going to resize them. We go to picture format and to the crop. In this crop option, we reduce their size to here. And also we move the Paris picture to look here. But you maybe forget something. In the first slide, we said we need to increase the Paris shape. So for that, we need to at first crop these 2 slides, reduce their size. Okay. And then also bring it here. Then use crop to reduce its size and bring the road here. Okay, it's good. Now we need to increase its size, and let's do it. And after increasing the size, we need to paste the text. The text is just a simple Paris text, nothing more, nothing less. After that, we go to the second slide. In the second slide, we copy this Egypt picture and paste it here. We need to reduce the size of this Paris picture. We use crop, reduce it to here, move the picture, and we increase the size of this picture by crop, holding Control, increase the size. Now for the last slide, you see we have a problem. We done it in the wrong way, but it's not a problem also. For the last slide, we delete these 2 things, copy this thing, paste it here, and copy this thing, paste it here. Now we need to increase the Egypt size. For increasing, we go to crop, increase the size, and change the picture position. Okay, it's good. Now we need to paste the text, the road text, and the Egypt text. Now we select all 4 of them and set the transition to move. Now let's have a look. You see it's look and working perfectly. It's the best thing possible. I hope you enjoyed. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe.